Hi, I'm Katie Cooks and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these traditional Turkish stuffed flatbreads called Gözleme. They're made with a fresh flatbread that you put all the ingredients inside, fold it up like an envelope and cook. But this is a quicker way to do it using ready-made wraps. So let's start by getting our onion prepped. So we're going to dice that up and then we're going to chop our lovely fresh herbs. I've got some mint and some parsley here. Bunch them together and just get them chopped up until you have something that looks like this. And pop them to one side for later. Heat some oil in a pan and then add your diced onion. Once it's nice and softened, after about 8 minutes, add 400 grams of lamb mince. This will be enough for about 4 wraps. Then you want to get that lamb lovely and cooked, and then we'll go in with our spices. So we want 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, adds a lovely flavour, and then a pinch of dried chilli flakes just for a little kick. You can add a bit more if you prefer more spicy food. Get those spices cooked off until they're lovely and fragrant. Now to assemble. Brush one side of a tortilla wrap with oil, then flip it over. Add your mince, some feta cheese, some chopped spinach, and then your lovely herbs. Put into a pan that you've heated on a medium to high heat and push down slightly. After a minute or two, flip it over. And you just want to continue this process, keep flipping it over until the tortilla wrap on the outside is lovely golden crisp and the inside has warmed through and all the cheese is melted and delicious. And after a few minutes on each side you'll have this delicious little parcel. It's absolutely yummy. Like and subscribe for more. See the full recipe on my website katiecooks.co.uk.